Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. This week's Closing Bell is brought to you by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Some precipitation has finally moved through a lot of the central U.S. this week, and more is expected to occur in the next day or two as well. Earlier this week, the Central Plains received a good amount of rainfall, which should do a lot to help improve winter grazing conditions for key cow-calf and stocker regions. This should also help to alleviate some of the concerns around pond water and dust issues that had started to arise. While the rain has largely continued to miss the panhandle wheat areas, the forecast shows a good chance of rain to hit these regions in the next few days. Though the forecast only shows a tenth to 3/4 of an inch, this could make a big difference to those areas in terms of wheat or grass grazing. It will also take warm weather along with the moisture to create good wheat pasture, but the La Nina weather pattern does typically keep temperature warmer than average for those areas. The longer-term November precipitation forecast shows above normal precipitation expected for a lot of the central U.S. and the Pacific Northwest, all of which have seen increased drought conditions in the past couple of months. Improved grazing conditions in these areas would likely bring strength to the calf market, potentially adding $5 to $10 a hundredweight onto calf values. Although the coal calf market is already tight, the improvement would continue to support a strong cow market, as fewer will be sent to town. Bred cow and heifer prices, along with pair prices, should also be supported by improved conditions, as more retention may be allowed. Even with the precipitation, it will likely be later in the year before cattle can be turned out onto wheat pasture, which could mean a difference in placement pattern. More lighter weight placements could be seen if some producers are not able to hold off until mid-December to January to turn onto pasture. Turning to this week's markets, active trade occurred in the north at 188 to 190 live and 296 dressed, which is $2 softer compared to last week. Moderate trade occurred in the south at 190, which is steady with last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.